Hello everyone, I bring you a new video for financial markets. Well, I may have already tried this strategy, but we're already getting to combine another indicator with Aroon Alligator and Alligator. Alright? So let's start with it going to the settings, and we'll start with the classic candles, 15 seconds on time frame, and let's go to indicator right now. As already mentioned, Alligator is configuration first one, okay, and Aroon only does. So 13,88553 for that, jaws, teeth, and lips, and that's color. Aroon, guys, we're gonna use 15. That's is normal. That's the full settings, and we're gonna use 1 minute expiration time, and you're gonna start with $22. I'm going to do a trade compound return on trade this year again. Can I get the strategy? All right. I take that explain what the strategy consists as. So I see the alligator average and starts into cross upwards. Look at that. We have the three lines crossing with each other. We get the Aroon as well, so that's interesting, right? We have a triple, double crossover in average, which gives me the first confirmation for the entry. Second, when the adds on the red to the top, that is when there's a strength, I entered upwards. That is, look at the red parts right here. We got a crossing line, right? So that is the strength. There is no bearish strength. And the blue part could change the green, so we don't get confused. That's up to you. The indicator is up. It's so that is failing. No, sorry, falling. Right, but where the strength is, where is it going, right? For now, that's not respecting. Let's wait for this. 5 seconds for... Oh my gosh, 3. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. That's so good. $41 for that. A profit. That was so close, man. Oh my gosh. Look at that again. All right. That was pretty good. Okay. So, I entered against the trend, guys, but the cross have given me the confirmation. If I have the trade in favor of the trends, I might have won easily when the zone rejects at the points was high. Right? Remember that ring gives me indicators of trend, the asset given point, and must take it into account. Okay. So increase that to $4. Let's see that.
Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
We're just gonna make this one, and look at that. We got this right now in GBP CAD. We got the same situation. Okay, for the arrow right here, you can see that that's a downtrend. All right, and we got the crossing line on the moving average. Don't forget about that. It's, to me, that is crossover average. And that's average goes below in the trend, the direction downward, to give me the viability, the entry for that. Besides, guys, it's been there for a while. That's very strong movement, then stays there as a break. It is small this. So 15, how much? 15 seconds remaining for that, for to get this one. Let's see how this turns out, because look at that volatility. Oh my goodness, it's not good. Come on, just respect this, and that's just got this. Second position was taken right here. Oh yeah, baby. I have the second one, $74 of profits. That's third trade to see how to do. Let's try to do that right now, based on the preserving the candle partners very well. If it's the range, don't trade. The range is not going to work with you. It's more than there's a clear trend, so be careful. All right, I look for the third one, the last chance for that right now. Okay, so let's wait for this. So we got this right here for that AUD USD. We got an upward trend. As again, the moving average for the crossing line with each other with the alligator. We got the lowest point, and that is just going up. That's good. And it got again the crossing line on the arrow. Okay. Guys, this is only indicated to me the candle there is strength. But it was see the strong pullback here, and the price started to compress with arrow on the lowest point. Maybe to get in this wrong. All right.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
So let's see how this turns out again. But sometimes that's how that is. Okay? Don't wait for the candle reaction. And look at that, guys. $140. And look at this. I just increased my account to $22 to $141. Which is very good for me, guys. Leave your opinion in the comments. Try this strategy with all indicators. You can add whatever you want. The idea for this, for you to find a profitable strategy over time and with patience. Right? As always, see you in the live sessions on the channel, and see you in the next video, guys. Thanks so much for that. So actually right now, wish you good profits, good operations. Have a good one. Thank you so much for that. Have a great day, guys. See you. Bye-bye.